Walking alone, the streets are empty.
Hi guys, it's Michelle and I'm just here very quickly to do a wee bit of a wig review with you. So this is the brand new wig that I'm wearing. This is JAYCE from ESTETICA Designs and I'm wearing the shade Silver Sun RT8. JAYCE is just beautiful. If you love a short pixie, this is her straight from box, ready to go, just plonked straight on my head. As I've said, it's the Silver Sun RT8, so it's a rooted, very silvery shade I'm wearing, but she does come in a whole host of shades. So let's talk a wee bit about JAYCE. She is very lightweight and weighs only 2.4 ounces, but JAYCE she's a basic cap. It is an average size of cap, and lengthwise, let's talk about the lengths. So at the fringe bang area here, we have 3.5 inches at the front. The sides we have 1.5 inches of length, 5.5 inches at the crown, and we do have a very little monofilament crown here. And at the nape we have 1.75 inches. So it is a beautiful short pixie wig, and yeah, really gorgeous for kind of all ages. I'm going to do a quick turnaround and let you see her from the back. So this is JAYCE from the sides and the back. And as you guys can see, like with the ear tab, she does sit super flush against my head, so it does look very, very natural. We don't have a lace front, but what we have is this kind of fringe bangs, so you don't actually notice that. Now, this is her straight from box. If you wanted to add product, you could add product. You can have her kind of messy and you can spike her up and, you know, do whatever kind of suits you. If you use product, obviously you can have it very piecey looking. But this is how she comes from box. I think she's really pretty. She's very lightweight, very comfortable. I have tightened those adjusters at the back because I do have a petite head, and this is an average size of cap. But this is JAYCE from ESTETICA Designs, and in the Silver Sun RT8. She is just absolutely beautiful. So guys, if you're interested, she is available as of mid-December. I think it's the 12th of December 2024. So she will be available at MIMO wigs and at all your favourite wig retailers. So guys, keep your eyes peeled because there are 4 new styles in the Estetica Essentials collection, and they're just really, really stunning. So I'll be back to review the rest of them, but until then guys, I will see you all very soon. Take care, bye!
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.